Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up a picture password in Windows 11. This is a fun and secure way to unlock your computer using gestures on a photo instead of typing a traditional password. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your system unit and give it a moment to fully load. You'll want to wait until your Windows 11 computer completely boots up and reaches the desktop. This ensures all the system settings are ready to be configured without any hiccups. Once your PC is ready and you're on the desktop, direct your attention to the Windows Start menu located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the menu. In the search bar that appears, type in Sign In Options and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the settings page where you can manage all your sign-in methods, including passwords, pins, and the picture password feature we're setting up today. When the Microsoft Sign-In Options menu appears, look for the section labeled Picture Password and click on it. The option will expand to show you more details about this feature. You'll see an Add button within this section. Go ahead and click on Add to begin creating your picture password. At this point, Windows will need to verify your identity, so you'll be prompted to enter your current password. Type in your password carefully and click OK to proceed. This step is important as it ensures only authorized users can set up alternative sign-in methods. Next, you'll see an option that says Choose Picture on the left side of the window. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will open up. This is where you get to select the image you want to use for your picture password. Browse through your folders and locate a picture that you'll easily remember and that has distinct features you can use for gestures. Once you've found the perfect image, select it and click OK to confirm your choice. After selecting your picture, you'll see a preview of it on the screen. If you're happy with your selection, click Use this picture to move forward. If not, you can always go back and choose a different one. Once you confirm, Windows will ask you to create 3 gestures on your picture. These gestures can be any combination of circles, straight lines, or taps on specific points of the image. Be creative, but make sure they're memorable, as you'll need to repeat them exactly to unlock your computer. After you've drawn your 3 gestures, Windows 11 will process and save them. Give it a few seconds to configure everything properly. Once the setup is complete, you'll see a congratulations message confirming that your picture password has been successfully created. From now on, you can use this picture password to sign in to your Windows 11 PC, making your login experience more personalized and secure. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.